I'm sorry about the tardiness of this video. I did not notice until last night that you had allowed me to make a second video and try and submit for a regrade, so you didn't have to sit through a 40-minute video. That being so I want to thank you for that. Unfortunately, I don't have access to the original paperwork. I just have access to what I submitted to you on paper before. So for problem 2, I would, even though it's a bit of a slog, if you could refer back to the original video I sent in on that one or not. It's up to you. For the first one, which was evaluate the square root of x minus the square root of a over x minus a, and x is approaching a. Well, you can't do that because a minus a would make this 0 over 0, so you have to apply conjugation, which leads over to these, which basically leads over to this, the square roots canceling each other out, and then you're left with x minus a over x minus a times the original conjugation. These cancel out, which leads to 1 over square root of x over a plus square root of a. And from here we can take the limit and simply apply the limit, and then we get 1 over 2a, and we can pretty much stop there. For this one, again, I don't remember, I don't have the actual paperwork, I don't remember the question for this, so I apologize for that. The next one, however, was try and find the derivative of this shape. So what I did was I broke each section into its own area, and I tried to describe the derivative of each specific section of the graph, which led to this section here. Basically, this is a negative, so it has a curving positive up to a point where it reaches a limit, or yeah, it reaches a limit. This one is straight, so its derivative is right here. And finally, this one has increasing, so f of x, yep, 2b, and it leads to this graph here for its derivative. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful time grading.